Guys, what's up? Groovy Bastard here. So today we are going to head on down to Martin Moto motorcycle place. They're having a bike show, Modern Classics show. They have it every year. This is actually the first time I've been able to get there, but I'm going out there, going to meet with Walton, PA, and a few other people. So I'll catch you when I get there. See ya. So we're almost there, a couple more miles. I don't know how this is going to sound since I'm moving at highway speeds. Hope it sounds okay. There's a guy in front of me. I'm not with him, just to let you know. Yes, I guess he's going to the same place I'm going. Wonder if any of the boys are here yet. Guess we will find out. I guess we could have parked up there. Well, we're here, so we're going to park our motorcycles in the parking lot and wait for everybody to show up. Alright guys, we'll get back to you in a minute. Hey guys, we're back. So we're at Martin Moto and the place is fucking packed. But I did find somebody here. I did. My man Walton, PA. I know you guys haven't seen him in a while. He's alive and well. You can see him, he's alive and well. Met up with him today. So yeah, we're just gonna walk around, check out some bikes. They got some really, really sweet looking bikes here. Yeah, it's Modern Classics, so you got a bunch of old, bunch of new. So let's take a look. Got that. have bike you're not allowed to touch. I really want to sit on it, but it's saying do not touch, and I'm not spending the kind of money they want for it, but I'm going to show it to you now. 2004 Honda Room. This thing is sick. $28,000 for something that's 20 years old. It's got the GL 1800 motor. Man, look at that. The original fat tire the original fat front tire.
Wow.
Before everybody else started doing them, you know?
Yeah.
The thing is wild. And it could be yours for $28,000 at Martin Moto. There's the phone number. You want it? Come by it. So we're up here. It's like a museum or whatever, quality up here. So I figured I'd show you some of their bikes they have up here. And of course everything is do not sit or touch. I like that. Some really cool shit up here.
You ever see an XN85? That's
No.
my old bike.
Is it?
I had 400 original miles when I sold it.
No shit.
Now it's got 1,300. They only imported 298 of them in the whole country.
Oh wow.
That's the rarest bike you'll find ever. Turbo job.
Damn.
More or less. I like it to go like this.
4-cylinder. Whoa. That's mine.
The real machine.
Got some nice shit here.
It does have some really nice shit up here. CBX. Wow.
Outside or?
Alright guys, we're getting out of here. I'll try to avoid hitting anybody on the way out here. Still got a lot of people. Man, got some choppers now. Last time I was leaving this parking lot was when I was riding my son's motorcycle home. You don't have a stop. Come on, you ain't got to stop, man. What the fuck are you doing, man? You don't have a stop sign. Fuck you then. People are stupid. People are stupid, don't realize they don't have a stop sign. So yeah, like I was saying, last time I was pulling out of this parking lot was when I was picking up my son's bike. And it was a little bit of a different weather day. So, anyway, this is where I am going to end this. So until next time, my friends, I hope you enjoyed the show. Y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.